Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evelyn Weiss, and in today's video I will show you how you can fast and easily create a subscription product or membership in Stripe that you could either link to your website or funnel builder, or I will also show you a way on how to create a checkout page directly from within Stripe. Alright, so I'm now in my Stripe account, and the first thing that I want to do is come to products, and now I want to say add product. So now I want to give this my membership or subscription name. And you could add a description or upload an image. I usually never do any of those. The next thing is the price info. So here we want to select the standard pricing model instead of packaged, graduate pricing, or volume pricing. And then you want to enter the monthly price of your membership. So let's say that's $49. Now, instead of one time, you want to have the recurring here. And then the next thing you want to decide is your billing period. For a membership, usually also for many subscription products, this will usually be monthly. However, you can see that you can select daily, weekly, every 3 months, every 6 months, yearly, or custom. So if you, for example, offer a yearly plan of your membership and then you offer a certain discount for that, you could also create, a $490 subscription, and that is only paid yearly, for example. And so you can tell people, okay, you get 2 months off if you join my yearly plan. However, for this example, we want to keep it to the monthly period, and that's literally all there is. Now we just have to save the product. And now depending on, if you use WordPress or ClickFunnels or Leadpages, whatever funnel builder or website you use to integrate, you can already use this product there in the checkout page and link it accordingly to how the process is in your funnel builder. However, there's also a way to send people to a direct checkout page. And this is something you can do here now. After you created the product, it will prompt you to this page. And here you have this little button that says create payment link. So now we want to click on that. This sends us to a preview of how the payment page will look and how the subscription page will look. So if you select this option, you definitely want to add a picture and a description just to make this page a little bit more attractive, because otherwise Stripe will just use your default logo that you had in here. So definitely describe the membership a little bit. And here you can see you have other options. You could allow promo codes. You could collect the customer's address. You could require them to add a phone number. You could let them adjust the quantity, which would not make sense. And you can also include a free trial, for example. You want to give a 7-day free trial, right? So, but you could also just have that super, super simple and then say create link. And now you could literally use this link on your checkout page, on your sales page, and directly link to that checkout from your button. Or, depending on how you sell, if you promote your subscription membership on social media, people reach out to you, you could also just send them this payment link to sign up. And you see it's a very streamlined, nice checkout page that you can make even nicer if you add a description and an image when setting up the product. All right. That's it for now. I hope this was helpful. If it was, consider leaving a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. Other than that, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye for now.